Hi, today is Monday, March 20. Please watch the full video. Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a sweet and sour. So I will use this fish, trout, or we call this in Bosnia Pastrmka. You can choose what size you want. So I choose maybe 4 or 3 pieces in 1 kilo of this. So it's like 340 or 330 per kilo. 330 pesos in Philippine money. But here it's like 12 km, like that. Sometimes if it's not winter, you can buy this one 10 or 11 km here. So it's like 300 per kilo. So this Pastrmka or trout po, it's closely related po sa salmon. So they are living usually in freshwater lakes or river po. So very nice po this taste din po ng Pastrmka. The skin, it's little bit sticky if you wash it or slippery. So you need to, you will see later po paano ko po gagawin. Now po, I will show to you guys how I clean the fish. Now it's already unfrozen na po yung fish natin. So, it's ready po to clean. So, first, I gonna put po salt. Ayan po. And then, irarab ko po lang siya sa pagkakabilang side po nila. Ganyan po. Irarab ko po ng maigi po. Kasi ito po, this fish po is little bit slippery. And you see po, very sticky po yung ano niya. Ayan. Para matanggal po yung mga ayan. Very sticky po. And very slippery po. Pag hinawakan po natin to, sobrang dulas po niya. Ayan po. Nakikita nyo po, ayan. May mga nahuhulog po siya na mga ano sa skin. Ayan. So, now we're gonna wash it. Ayan. Nagkadulas. Sobrang dulas niya. Masarap po siya. Parang same po ng tilapia. It's very tasty po siya. Pag nakakakain po kayo na ng tilapia, for those who are not aware po sa taste po ng tilapia, basta yun na po. So now, it's time to wipe the fish. So now, I will wash now the fish. Nahugasan ko na po siya. And then, I need to wipe a tissue paper. Yan po. Wipe ko lang po siya ng tissue. Wipe it. Now, time po to put a salt. Lagyan na po natin siya ng salt. So, irarap ko lang din po yung salt po around po ng fish. So, after 2 or 3 minutes po, so we can fry po. So, we will start now to fry because today, I'm gonna make sweet and sour po. So like that. Yeah. So let's wait until 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, ay magluluto po ako ng sweet and sour po. So I will use this Pastrmka po. So ito po yung Pastrmka o tinatawag na trout. And I have here po, so yung mga ingredients po, I have carrots, zucchini, onion, garlic, ginger, and of course, ang ating bell pepper kasi wala po akong available po na red bell pepper today. Lemon, and soy sauce. I have apple cider vinegar, 1½ apple cider vinegar. I have here cumin seeds and fennel. Pinaghalo ko po sa isang lalagyanan because this one po ay nakakatulong din po para po matanggal po yung lansa po ng fish. And of course, I have bay leaf. Of course, we will put little basil po. Basilicum po kung tawagin namin. So, let's go po and start po. Now, we're gonna fry first the fish. So, we'll turn on the stove. So, now again. So, I will put 19. And the dual. And now, we will put oil. Now, we're gonna put oil. So, let's wait po until it's little bit hot the oil. Now, time to put po ang ating fish because the oil is already little bit hot na. So, like that. Ito-fry lang po natin siya. Ayan. So, let's wait po till the one side is already cooked. Almost done po yung other side. So, we will cook this only a medium fry lang po. Para po mamaya hindi po matigas po yung fish po natin. We will check if it's okay now to turn. Yeah. Now it's time to turn to the another side naman po. So now I just turn. So let's just wait to cook another side. Now it's already done. So I'm gonna lower the heat now and then we will transfer. I will use also same pan po. I'll just remove the excess oil kasi sobrang dami po niya. So I put now the garlic. So we will wait until brown. Little bit. And then now, time to put the ginger. Very much of nice. And of course the onion. Like that. Now let's add the cumin and fennel seeds. Little. Kakatanggal po kasi siya ng lasa. Kaya nilalagyan ko pag nagluluto ako. And of course, bay leaf. Pwede na po natin ilagay din po pala yung ating tomato sauce. So just put little. And then our vinegar. Our soy sauce. Little soy sauce. And then, let's add water. I forgot also to tell to everyone that we need also a brown sugar here. So, let's put now the zucchini and the carrots as well. Mix this. We will add more water, I think. So let's wait until the vegetable cook, and then later before we will put the fried fish. Time to put also basil as well, little bit only. Pampalasa lang. And of course, our salt. Now, time to put the fish. Ayan po siya. So, let's wait till the vegetable more cook. Malapit na rin pong maluto yung zucchini. So, important po kasi yung zucchini sa akin. Yung carrots, it's okay even it's half cook. Pero yung zucchini po, ayaw ko yung zucchini. Kasi pagkain po kasi ng dalawang bata. And then it's time also po to put the bell pepper. So I don't have, as I said, I don't have red bell pepper. Only this green, yellowish, orange bell pepper I have. So need to go grocery. Yan, magpifish po ngayon yung dalawa ko. Sorry, and now I will put the exhaust fan kasi po medyo maamoy po siya. So need po yung exhaust fan. So let's wait po till the zucchini will cook and the sauce will be thickened. Now look at that. It's almost thickened the sauce. So 3 minutes more and our sweet and sour is ready. Nakagutom. Now I add maybe 2 tablespoons of milk para po mabilis pong mag-thicken po yung sauce. Isang secret po yan para mapabilis po yung pag-thicken po ng ating mga niluluto, yung milk or a flour. But for me, I more prefer po yung milk than flour po. Ayan. 2 minutes more and it's done. Ayan po, magiging thicken na po yung sauce. So, we can serve now po. Now, it's time to turn off the stove. So, gonna transfer now to a plate. Ayan po. Ayan na, ayan na. Wow, so yummy. Ayan na po siya. So, diba po? Looks yummy. Ayan. Sarap nito. Ayan na po ang ating mausok. So, ayan na po ang ating pastrmka or trout, sweet and sour. So yummy. Thank you for watching. See you again on next video. Bye-bye.